Craig Doris, sales rep with Our Neighborhood Realty, and I'm so excited to be welcoming you to Longview Estates here at 9868 Woodvale School Road. This property is unbelievable. It's a definite must-see. I'm talking 100 acres on top of one of the highest hills in Northumberland County. We have 30 acres of pastures, 50 acres of farmland, a pond, an apple and pear orchard, a vineyard. If that's not enough, you have clear views of Rice Lake, never-ending farmland, and of course the Ganaraska Forest. This extraordinary property boasts an 8,500 square foot custom colonial-style home, complete with 5 fireplaces, beautiful cherrywood finishes throughout, exposed beams. We have an elevator shaft, a wine cellar, as well as the canning kitchen on the lower level. Need more space? No problem. We have a 3,400 square foot coach house, a 3-bay detached garage with loft space above, a 6-stall equestrian barn, as well as multiple other outbuildings. Are you thinking that this home looks like it's straight out of a magazine? Well, you're not wrong. This was actually showcased in Harold Smith Country Life magazine for its master craftsmanship, as well for the unique coach house, which was modeled after traditional timber frame barns of yesteryear. No detail was overlooked when designing this one-of-a-kind estate. Everything was custom built with a keen eye and impeccable taste. This property is an entertainer's dream. It would make a fabulous family compound with unrivaled views and privacy. Longview Estates will not disappoint, I promise you that. Thanks for popping by. If you have any questions, please give me a call. Your Hilltop Estate awaits.